In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get logged into Microsoft Copilot on your Windows device. Whether you're using this innovative AI tool for work, study, or just personal exploration, setting it up for the first time is a breeze. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Copilot website. This serves as your access point to all the powerhouse features that Microsoft Copilot offers. It's designed to be your trusted AI companion, addressing everything from productivity to creativity. Once you're on the web page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and features available right there on the home page. You'll notice that everything is well organized and inviting. Now look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the profile account icon. Click on this icon. It's the initial step in starting your login process. This profile icon typically gives access to all user-related settings, making it easier to manage your account seamlessly. Once you've clicked on the profile account icon, you'll see a sign in button appear. Go ahead and click on Sign In. This step is crucial because it's where you'll begin to enter your credentials. It's pretty straightforward and will guide you smoothly through the next parts of the process. After clicking Sign In, the page will present you with several options for logging in. You'll see choices like Continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For instance, if you're already integrated with Google's ecosystem, click Continue with Google to streamline your login process. This interconnected approach can save you both time and effort, reducing the need to remember yet another set of credentials. Once you've selected how you want to log in, simply pick your account from the list provided on the screen. This is usually displayed in a user-friendly manner with icons or logos of the services. After making your selection, the system will process your login and you'll be logged into Microsoft Copilot. It's that simple. From here, you're ready to explore everything Microsoft Copilot has to offer. This AI companion can assist with a range of tasks that are bound to enhance your productivity and creativity. So take some time to play around with the features and settings to customize your experience. There you have it. An easy and efficient way to access Microsoft Copilot on your Windows device. Make sure to keep your account details safe and secure, as they form the cornerstone of your AI interactions. Thanks for joining me today.